Q-Span workstations automate the manual process of measuring small parts for quality control in small batch high-mix manufacturing. Replacing the tedious work of using manual digital calipers for QC, this flexible robotic system dramatically improves QC measurement consistency, repeatability, and efficiency. With up to 3 robotic gripper caliper tools on one robot arm, the Q-Span system automatically picks small parts, measures multiple features on each part, and sorts or places the parts based on any measured dimension according to values you define. What's more, the Q-Span system acts as a smart robotic caliper with automatic electronic data collection. All measurement data is recorded and ready for you to use in statistical analysis and process control. The workstation fits easily into your existing workspaces. Changeover to measure different parts takes a matter of minutes. Creating new robot programs for additional parts is as simple as using the powerful NSR Devices software and the Universal Robots Teach pendant. Based on labor savings alone, a Q-Span workstation with a Universal Robot installation has an average return on investment of less than 10 months. The ROI is even faster when you consider the ability to add QC capacity without increasing headcount. Q-Span workstations are available as kits for you to use with your own UR robot. A kit includes 3 gripper caliper tools, and example parts, trays, and robot programs you can use to develop your own processes. We also configure Q-Span workstation solutions specific to your part with custom part trays and robot programs for the actual part and process you choose. This solution includes installation on the UR robot at your facility and user training. As with the kit, you can easily develop new programs for additional parts. Whether you use a kit or a fully configured solution, a Q-Span workstation will help you achieve your gauge R&R targets and free your workers from tedious manual part measurement and data entry tasks. NewScale provides a free part correlation study and verification report to qualify that a Q-Span system is a capable tool for your parts and processes. Contact us today.